Hey guys, what's up? So today we are back yet again on PUBG Mobile, and yeah, today I have a good goal today. I want one of these titles, and you know which one I'm gonna go for? Weapon Master. You have mastered every weapon in the game. I just want this one, and yeah, how do I shit? How do I get this? How do I open this? Don't don't care. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna uh it disappears so me. What is this? What is this? This is not it. This is not it. Well, I am I doing something wrong? Shit. Okay, here it is. You just have to get a kill with every single, not every single gun, but every single assault. Yeah. Vehicles with a grenade and a shotgun and a sniper rifle and SMG. Yeah, and yeah, just gonna have to do this. And I also have to be in platinum rank and yeah, and in solo also, not epic, right? Okay, I feel like I'm ready for this. Just gonna pick I don't even know which one. You know what? I'm gonna pick this one. I yes, but yeah. Oof. Oh yeah, make sure to follow this guy, my best friend. Yeah, link in description. He only uploads PUBG gameplay. And yeah. Okay, let's start the game. Okay, what's the game plan? I guess I'm just gonna kill everyone with the different weapons. That's the game plan. I I will do this. Are you serious? Where did he kill me from? WTF? I'm actually serious. I got a lot of kills from that. Too. At least I got two of the weapons down. I hope it counts it. Yeah. I hope. Hope. Yeah. Come on. Show me. Bro, Come on, stop it. I can't. Sorry, bro. I'm literally making a video right now. I forgot where it was. Okay. Where the hell was it? Sorry. Can't. I can't. Okay, stop. Okay, stop. I actually can't find it again. Okay, here it is. Here it is. I found it. It didn't count. Oh my gosh. I hate you. Come on, stop it, kid. Okay. I think I need to be. Oh no, I need to be platinum, don't I? Idiot. Idiot I am. I'm so sad, really. I guess. All I now need to be is platinum 1, platinum 5 because I'm only gold 1. I guess I have to do this solo. This is oh. I should have accepted that. I should have accepted the No, I should have accepted the invitation. Yeah, I think I can't do this alone. I have to be like squad solo. This is not possible for me to play this gameplay alone. Okay, this is gonna take me a long time. I hope I can do this. Yeah, I believe. I believe. That's all I'm gonna say. I believe I can do this. I guess till then just gonna be like sad boy and yeah. I hope I can do this. Woohoo! Wish me luck, guys. Okay, guys, welcome back. This is day 2 of my recording. Getting to platinum took me forever. Forever and ever, yeah. Okay, so, come on, that's not it. Where's the achievement? I just want to see it once more. I. Shitting hell, can't find it. Okay. Okay, where it is? Where it is? I feel like I shall do this for every single one for a video, but I don't think so. Bad idea. You know what? I don't need it. I know what to do. I'm gonna do this. Look at me go. I'm platinum 5. If I lose this one game, I'm back to gold 1 by the way. Wish me luck. Gonna land here. Yeah, you know what? I have to play it safe. Sorry, I have to play it safe. If I lose this one match, by the way, I'm still in squads solo. That means this time I'm actually alone. Okay, I actually believe I can do this alone. All I have to do is get so many kills. You know what? I'm out of here. I hope I can do this. Is that someone? I think yes, that's someone. Okay, this is gonna be my first kill. I don't know what gun is this, but but I got a kill with this gun. That's all I'm gonna say. Gotta make the count, boy. Got to that. ओके ये मेरा फर्स्ट किल हो गया. अब मुझे इस गन को अबैंडन करना चाहिए क्योंकि मैं यूज़ नहीं कर सकता. आई फील लाइक ये असॉल्ट है. असॉल्ट राइफल ये हो गया. ये स्कारल. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज स्कारल. आई एम जस्ट गोना पिक इट अप. दिस इज़ अ बैड आइडिया इज इट. आई फील लाइक स्कारल और AK सेम ही क्लास के असॉल्ट. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम गोना ट्राई टू गेट अ किल विद दिस उजी फर्स्ट बिकॉज आई एम प्रीटी श्योर ये उजी ही सबसे पहले. एक ये SMG है डेफिनेटली. ये तो I guess this is what my channel has become. Just hiding in a bus, chilling and waiting for someone to pass one that so that I can kill him. Come on, I heard it. Hello, that's bot number 2. I'm definitely not gonna get all the weapons in this game because like yeah there aren't that many people left. I'm gonna die around at this time now. This is bad. मुझे लग रहा है मुझे डर लग रहा है इस DB वाले बंदे से. ये बंदा इतनी देर से चल रहा है. लोगों मारे जा रहा है. लो एक और बंदे को नॉक कर दिया इस बंदे ने. शिटिंग हेल आई एम स्केयर्ड टू इवन लूट. इसके पास P90. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर वो SMG की तरह काउंट होता है. सो या नाउ ऑल आई हैव टू डू इज गेट अ किल विद दिस बर्स्ट and a sniper rifle that I'm definitely not gonna get this. I'm pretty sure you have to do this in one go. Yep, I'm just wasting my time here, lol. I see someone. Nice try hiding, kid. Bam. Oh, what the hell? मेरे पीछे एक बंदा था. That is not fair at all. So not fair. पीछे से मार दिया बंदे ने. At least मेरा कुछ decrease नहीं हुआ. MVP. Okay, attempt number 2 time, guys. I guess I'm just gonna go there. I still can't go anywhere just because I'm scared of going anywhere because I will get instantly destroyed. Okay, I can do this. I hope there is someone there. I'm just gonna go this way, hoping that there is someone that I can kill with either my SMG, which is Uzi, you have a shotgun. Yeah, yeet. I don't know why I said that, but I hope यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है. WTF. You looted me, AJ. Open the door, you piss. There is someone here. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. I don't even care. Come here, boy. Oh my God, it's a bot. The God is with me today. You're my Uzi kill. Okay. SMG is down. This is gonna be. मैंने ये उठा लिया. Okay. Now I'm done. Okay. This is gonna be assault. And my first gonna be third, and yeah, I can do this. I don't even know. I don't even make sense, but I can do this. Please say that there's also someone else. I want to kill someone else. I feel like उस घर में कोई एक होगा बंदा. छुपा हुआ होगा एक बंदा. Okay, did I just heard a car noise? Or was I idiotic? I guess. Oh no! I was not idiotic. Okay, that's a squad 3. Come on, stop here. Stop there. I repeat, stop there. Stop it. I hope you stop there. Thank God. You are my Scarl kill. This is a bot, isn't it? Bot lobby. My shotgun kill. I hope this counts as a shotgun kill, lol. I just killed you. This is gonna be my. You know what? I feel like these guys could be my one of them. You know what? Come here, you. Come here, boy. Come here. You're gonna be my grenade kill. Don't go away. You're gonna make me kill myself. Shitting hell. Did he die? He didn't die. Shitting hell. Die. Oh my shitting God. Die. Okay. I guess I have no choice but to end your life. Okay. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Okay. This guy is gonna be my car kill now. I can't believe it. These guys, a bunch of bots. Okay. Which kills is left? I have to figure out. These guns are useless to me now. All I need is a shotgun. Just in case. If that Scarl doesn't matter. I want एक तो मुझे बस्ट राइफल चाहिए एंड एंड एक स्नाइपर राइफल दैट्स इट डन आई एम डन एंड आफ्टर दैट आई एम डन आई एम प्रीटी श्योर इस घर के अंदर एक कार 98 पड़ी थी यप ओके गोना पिक दिस अप ओके ओके एक तो स्नाइपर राइफल से किल हो जाएगा और एक तो मेरा हेलो देयर व्हाट द हेल आई गेस ये मेरा हो गया कार 98 किल ओके I don't even need you anymore. Okay. What did you have, sir? He had nothing. Okay. Drop this, drop this, drop this, drop that, drop this gun. I don't need it anymore. Drop you, drop you, drop you, drop you. Okay. I need healing. I need to heal, don't I? Okay. This is actually panicking time. I can actually do this. And I picked the gun. Are you serious? I was trying to loot something else. Okay, goodbye. Goodbye. Doesn't he? I want my helmet back. Okay. All I need is grenade kill and a sniper. Oh, bus. Oh my god. All I need is grenade kill. I can do this. All I need is grenade kill. All I need to do is find the grenade first. Shit. I hope these guys have it on them. Once I like use my first aid. Yeah, healing. Yeah. Come on, drink it fast. Chug it down. I feel like I can do this. I feel like I need to get a kill with this AK also, just in case, because I actually can't. I don't know why I picked it up. Does this guy have? Yes, this guy has it. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. And what do you say? I don't even know what that's called, but वहाँ पे एक एयर ड्रॉप है आएगा तो मतलब मैं वहीं पे जा रहा हूँ hoping to kill someone there and yeah let's see if I can find someone else. Oh shit, someone is shooting at me. Okay, he's coming at me. Hello there, you're my crossbow kill. Yeah, you know what, grenade time boy, time to dance monkey dance. Shitting hell, I hate it. You know what? You're my crossbow kill. I actually hope he has a weapon for me because I don't need this crossbow anymore. All I now need to do is get this AK kill and a grenade kill. Just that's all. And I can win this. I can win this. He has burst. Oh my god, forgot about burst. मैं बच गया. मैं बच गया. Oh my god. मुझे 2 kills चाहिए. मुझे एक तो burst चाहिए and एक grenade चाहिए. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm shaking right now. Oh my god. Okay, there's someone behind. I'm gonna jump scare him. Okay, prepare to die, boy. It is time. You have met your end, boy. Okay, after this kill, I will only have to get a. What do you say? Die. Okay. Die quickly. Okay. After this, I only need a grenade kill. Do you have a grenade? First, you know what? I forgot. I feel like he does not have it. Is there anyone nearby right now? I have to reload first. Oh god. You know what? I have to check. Please. I hope grenade हो. I'm scared. मुझे लग रहा है मुझे कोई भी उड़ा देगा 1 सेकंड में. वहीं से भाई. Oh my god, he has 2 grenades. Okay, I can do this. मुझसे बोला नहीं जा रहा. Okay, all I need to do is get a kill with this grenade and I have the title. I have the weapon master title. All I have to do is this. I can do this. I believe. I just need to find someone. Is that someone? Okay, that is someone. Come on, select the grenade. Kid, that is someone. Can I do this? He sees me. Shit. I'm so dead. God, please die. Oh, God, fuck. No, don't kill me. Please. I actually have to not make sure this hits. Come on. Go. I can't. I have to knock it down. Okay. Run away, fool. Run away. Jesus. That was close. Okay. I have to heal right now. Okay, okay, okay. I'm out of grenade. Shit, I should not have thrown the grenade. Okay. This is bad. This is bad right now. This is so bad. I messed up. I should not have thrown the grenade. I should not have thrown the grenade. I'm an idiot. I'm just an idiot. I can still do this. I believe I can still do this. I believe. Just gonna sneak by here. Hoping the guy doesn't see me. Where is he anyway? Anyway. That's okay. Two. Oh god! I was just. Oh my god! I'm so. No! I was so close. All I needed was that one grenade kill. No! 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 I actually can't believe this. I can't believe this. Oh my god! I can't believe this. I had all the weapons too. This is stupid. Stupid game, I say. All I did 60 damage. Oh my god. 60 damage. This sucks. Okay, you know what? I'm done. Done. I'm so mad and done at the same time. It's a sad ending. At least please मेरा progress save हो. Come on, please, please. I'm actually going to cry. No! No, not this. Not how this ends. You know what? I'm done. Thanks for watching, guys. And I will see you guys on the next episode. Next time, I will get this badge. Mark my word. That's all. Goodbye. Goodbye, world. Goodbye.